Hi guys, so this PS2 controller was supplied to me by somebody off Whatnot, and they are called Jadyn Sellz. So this was kindly donated to me by Jadyn Sellz for the purpose of YouTube. So I will tag her in the comments. She goes live quite regularly. She sells Xbox things, controllers, PS3, PS4. She sells consoles, basically anything gaming. Go across to her. She's on regularly on Whatnot. Again, I will add her on in the comments and in the description, so you can follow her directly. So a big thanks to Jadyn Sellz for the PS2 controller. So I'm going to take this controller apart. I'm going to show you how to take it apart, and I'll put it back together. This is part of the challenge of fixing things with things around the house. So today I'm using a toothbrush, small Phillips screwdriver, a pry tool, which can be a butter knife or something like that. Don't use a sharp knife because you'll hurt yourself. A pair of tweezers, a washing up liquid in a bottle. We don't need a bottle, but you can do it in a bottle. Cloth, and some cotton buds if needed. There is some isopropyl alcohol, which is 99% pure. If we need it, I'm not sure if this is if it's allowed in part of the challenge. Feel free to let me know. If I'm not allowed it, then let me know in the comments, and I won't use it in other videos. So, if you could like, comment, and subscribe this video, that would also be fabulous. If you could hit subscribe button, that would also be fabulous for me. So there's 6 screws in one of these. This is a normal PS2 controller official, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 screws. I will undo them now. I said that quite confidently. Again, a massive thank you to Jadyn Sellz. She's an amazing person. I often mod for her on Whatnot, so if you want to say hello to me, feel free to come across and say hello. I'm more than happy to talk to anybody. The username on Whatnot for me is the same as on YouTube and various other social platforms you may see me on. There will be a raffle for this, so if somebody's interested in winning this controller, feel free to. It'll be £1, and I'll put the link in the comments below. So you lift this off, and these buttons come with it, so you don't lift it off. Some of the controllers, the buttons come off on here, but on this one the controller comes off on the controller, on the casing. So then we take this out. So all this comes out as one. We'll put these buttons. So all this comes out as one. This one is attached. So just inside the things, just wedged inside there. So we take that out, and that's all of that there. So if you wanted to clean the buttons, which we will in this occasion, you take them all out this way. So if we take that off, not sure if you can see me there. Take that off, it's got like a little clip which goes over the top, and these can only go one way. So we'll clean inside of there as it's all grubby with fairy liquid. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. If you've got anything that you feel that could be beneficial to the channel, that could be fixed on camera, feel free to reach out to me. Happily look into many things. It doesn't have to be console related, it can be anything really. Any suggestions that you'd like to see me fix, feel free to let me know. So we'll clean this off with a rag. This one's a microfiber, but you can use any rag, I guess. So that is now clean. We'll just clean all these buttons off. So red goes to the outside. This one is the green one, which goes to the bottom. It can only go in one way, there's like a little nubbin. Oh no, green goes to the top. It's a triangle, isn't it? Triangle goes to the top. So it can only go one way. And then X will go to the bottom. And then the square will go to the other side. Again, they can only go one way. This one's got like a little thing in it. So it can only go one way, because there's only one way it can go. These are the start buttons and options and stuff. The directional buttons, we'll give them a bit of a clean. And we've got this little thing that goes over. Goes over like that. And that goes in there. So that's clean. So we'll fix this bit. Be careful of the board there, as it can be quite fragile. So we'll lie this down the best we can. We'll take these stalks off. Again, in only one way it can go, there's like a little nub in there. This is where I use alcohol. So we'll put alcohol inside there as it evaporates. And we'll swaz it around a little bit. Clean all the stuff out. Work it around. We'll put these nubbins back on. There's only one way it can go, because it's got like a little thing, and that's got like a little thing you can put in it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. And then we'll put this back in the case. This just slots back in like it slotted out. Don't forget to slot this bit back in here. It goes into like a little, got its own little thing it goes into, if you can see that, its own little thing it goes into. So we'll put this button back in. It goes in the top here. It just slides in the top. Again, this other button on the other side just slides in the top. Then we'll put, careful of the cable. Then you've got to line them things up, these bits here, with the bits inside there. So it's easy enough to do. And then it's back together. And we'll put the screws back in. This was supplied by somebody on Whatnot, so if you could follow them as well, that would be great. So that's Jadyn Sellz on Whatnot. I will put a link to her profile in the comments or the description or wherever we can put it. Again, I mod for her quite regularly, so if you want to talk to me directly, feel free to jump on her stream. She won't mind you saying hello to me or whatever. Left. So 6 screws put back in. Check they're all tight. And that's how you take a PS2 controller apart and put it back together whilst and cleaning it. Again, this will be up for a raffle. It'll be £1 an entry. And I'll draw it in a couple of weeks. The end date will be on the raffle, so I will draw it in a couple of weeks. So it'll all become tested and working and deep cleaned by myself. So if you could like, comment and subscribe. Again, don't forget to go and follow Jadyn Sellz on Whatnot, as she kindly provided me with this for the purpose of YouTube and show you how to do it, which is very nice of her. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you very much.